Here I have Nissan Qashqai, and let me show you a few commands to control your climate control by using the Google Assistant. So at the very beginning, the first one, hey Google, turn on the AC.
Sure, turning on the aircon.
The second really useful one, hey Google, set temperature to 21 degrees.
Alright, changing the temperature to 21 degrees.
Hey Google, turn on the seat heater.
Got it. Turning on the seat heater for the driver. Sorry, I'm having trouble controlling that.
So
Try again in a bit.
As you can see, in some cases there are some troubles, but in most cases the control of your climate is working just fine. You can also, for example, use one of the following ones. Hey Google, defrost the windshield.
Alright, turning on the defroster.
Alright, and
Sorry,
that's it.
that might not have worked everywhere.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.